Morning, Barbara. You okay? Come and change that dressing of yours. That you've had on for about 2 or 3 days. Yeah? Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Did you sleep well?